Here's how to know who unfollowed you on Instagram. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. It works the exact same. Tap on your profile at the bottom right, and from here we need to get to your settings and download that information. It's not built into the Instagram app, but you can download that information and use a trick to find it out. So tap on the three lines at the top right, and then tap on Account Center. After you've done that, you'll be able to see towards the bottom is your information and permission. All you need to do is just tap on that and then export your information. Now, from here, you'll be able to see I can export my information, but you need to know what specifically to export. So let's tap on Create Export at the very top, and then Instagram and Export to Device. Now, from here, you need to modify and customize what you're exporting. It defaults to export everything, which you don't need. Now, from here, I'm going to tap on Customize Information. I'm going to hit Clear All, scroll down, Clear All, Clear All, Clear All, and then just keep clicking the Clear All button. Now, it'd be nice if it was just one button to clear all of them, but after you've done all that, you're going to scroll up under Connections. You're going to tap Followers and Following. Specifically, we only need that information. Now, let's hit Save. And for the date range, let's choose all time here. It does take a little bit longer to download. It's usually within a few hours, it will download all of that to your phone. Now, after that, let's hit Start Export. Now, it's not ready right away. Keep in mind, you'll have to wait until it is ready, but when it is ready, you'll get a notification on your phone, on the Instagram app, and an email. After you've done that, open up Instagram again, tap on your profile at the bottom right, tap on the three lines at the top right, Accounts in Center, and then your information. Now, from here, you can go back to export your information, and it will be the ability to download what you just created. So export your information. And then from here, you're just going to look for, okay, here is one that has the download button. Just tap on download, tap download, and it will download it to your phone. All you need to do is hit the download button. It'll download it to your iPhone or Android in the Files app. So now we need to find it within that Files app. So let's swipe all the way over to the app library, and we'll search for Files and open it up. Now from here, you might need to go back, all the way back, so you can see something like this, and you're gonna navigate to your Downloads folder. It's pretty easy. Just tap on my iPhone, then Downloads, and then there you can see is the zipped file. To unzip it, all you need to do is tap on it, and it just unzips. After you've done that, you can open up the folder, tap on Connections and Followers and Following. Now, you're finally at this step. You have a list of your followers and a list of your following. But now what do you do with that? You need to use another third-party trick to be able to do this. So we're going to open up a web browser, and we're just going to type in compare to lists on Instagram. And this is a great one, comparetolists.com. Now, all you need to do is hit choose file, and then just navigate in your Files app to, for instance, following, and upload that. And then hit choose file on the B section, choose file, followers. So now in list A, I have my following, list B, I have my followers. Make sure right over here next to Instagram followers, if that's unchecked, make sure to check that. And that will help you out a lot. Then just hit the compare to list, and you'll be able to see only in list A. These are people that you are following that are not following you back, aka they unfollowed you.